Here are a bunch of central air conditioners. Goodman Janitrol. I think, oh wait, there's a Guardian. You see, I'm not getting too close because, yeah, I think that's a ream or something. That one just turned on and it sounded like it had a pistol, but I really don't know. There's some more back there. I'm gonna make another video though. Here's a Smart Comfort. Oh, that one's loud. And Goodman. Another Goodman. Can't see the compressor of that one because, oh, these ones are quiet. I'm gonna get my bike and go somewhere else. These ones sound nice. That sounds like a Bristol or something. And this one is pretty loud. It's like a Carrier or something. Here's some more. I think these have like rotary compressors. I'm not, like, again, I'm not gonna get really close to them because this is an apartment complex. Most of these actually have rotaries. Oh yeah, over here there was one that sounded really bad. But maybe I can go. Oh, this one's running. Yeah, these all have rotaries. Ow. This one, I can't see the compressor though. Oh yeah, do you hear that? I don't know which one it is. Oh, it's this Goodman here. That sounds horrible. I don't know what's wrong with it, but that is obnoxious. Yeah, that is really obnoxious. And back there, there's some more. I think that has a rotary actually. Which one? Yeah, you can hear it echoing all over the place. Alright, I'm gonna on my bike ride and film those reams over there. Here are like some reams and roods. Oh wait, that's a rood. Another rood. And then a Weather King. Hang on, let me see if I can get the data. It's too small to read though. Unfortunately, I can't get the data because that is really small. Yeah. And then, yeah, so this place here has a lot of like roods and Weather Kings. A lot of my footage is a bit shaky. I'm just trying to. I'm going this way. Yeah. So then I'm gonna go on the other side and film those Goodmans over there. Wow, that one. You can hear it all the way from here. It's just getting louder and louder. Wow, this one is noisy. Actually, I don't know. I think it's both of them. Oh yeah, I am filming. Okay, good. There's like 4 of them there. You can get the data. I guess. I'm not sure if I can actually get the data. But I'm gonna go on the other side. Yeah, the data's right there, but like it's kind of hard to get to. If you know what I mean. A lot of these are very noisy, although they have scroll compressors. Oh, that one sounds nice. Alright. This one's a rood. Well, actually, most of. I'm gonna go back on that side, I think. Well, actually, I think I passed by this Guardian already. And that Guardian was really loud, but. Yeah, this Guardian is noisy. And then there are these ones here. But I'm pretty sure these have bristles. Although I can't really see the compressor. And maybe these here and those over there. Yeah, these ones are really noisy, these ones here. They sound nice actually. Now, you see, whenever there's people, I don't go too close because we get suspicious, so That's why I'm going this way. Oh look. Here are... These all have rotaries. Now this one sounds nice. Yeah, pretty sure that has a Bristol, but I'm never able to see the compressors of those things. And look, all the way over there, there's so many more units. There's so many. There's just like so many Goodmans here. There's more Goodmans. Yeah, that one says something weird on it. Oh, there's a dog in that window. Okay, there's a person in there. This one just turned off. That one has a rotary. Oh, that one's a Concord. And this Goodman, I think it has a Copeland reset, or it sounds like one. Actually, no, I think it was one of these. No, this one. These two are running and they sound really nice. Yeah, that is an amazing sound from... I'm guessing that's a Copeland recip. Oh. Yeah, these are noisy. Oh, but there's a person in that window. So... yeah, those are pretty noisy. But there's a person in the window, so I'm not gonna go close. Like, there's actually quite a lot of people around. Actually, most of these are quiet. A lot of them. Yeah, here's another. Something just turned off. One of those Goodmans, I think, and it had a scroll compressor. I believe that's the end of this place. Like, I already filmed the ones back here. So, I think those were all. I mean, there's all these other complexes over here. Yeah, I think. Oh wait, I could wait for a startup, because this one I did hear turn on already, but I could wait for a startup, I guess. I can't see the compressor. Do you think you would be able to see it? I can. Oh wow, this one's noisy. Yeah, I'm gonna wait for this one to start up.